I want to tell you about my favorite pasta dish. It is simple and it is delicious. You only need a few ingredients. The dish is called spaghetti aglio olio. That's Italian for spaghetti with garlic and oil. It is one of the great Italian pasta dishes. First, cook your spaghetti in a big pot of salted water. Cook it until it is just right, not too soft, not too hard. Before you drain the pasta, save 1 cup of the pasta water. This water is important. Don't throw it away. Now, take a pan and add 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Turn the heat to low. Add 8 thinly sliced garlic cloves. Let them cook slowly. You want them golden, not brown. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes. This gives the dish a little heat. Add more if you like spicy food. Add the cooked spaghetti to the pan. Then add the pasta water, a little at a time. Stir everything together. The water and the oil mix together to make a light, creamy sauce. It is not heavy. It coats every strand of pasta. Add some Parmesan on top, as much as you like. I always add a lot. On the side, add some steamed broccoli. It is fresh and simple. It goes perfectly with the pasta. That's it. No complicated steps. No special equipment. Just simple, honest food. Try it this week. I think you'll love it. Trust me, it really is the best pasta ever.